Okay, so we are looking at section 8.4, solving equations. We're going to start with a simple equation like x plus 3 equals 7. Our first order of business is to isolate the variable. Okay. We want to get x alone on that left side. To get rid of x, we need to remove plus 3. In order to remove a number, you need to do its opposite operation. So if it's x plus 3, its opposite operation is minus 3. Whatever you're doing on the left side, you have to do to the right. So if it's minus 3, if I've added a minus 3 on this side, I have to add a minus 3 on the other side. Okay? So use the opposite operation. Okay? 3 minus 3 is 0, so I'm left with x on one side. X is equal to 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay? Now I check that. If x equals to 4, that means 4 plus 3 equals 7. 7 is equal to 7. Both sides are the same. So I've solved this equation, x equals 4. And our third step is to check. Okay. We're going to look at something a little more complicated now. Okay. 2x plus 4 equals 20. Okay? I want to isolate my variable. So I'm going to begin by isolate x. Okay? So I'm going to begin by getting rid of my plus 4. So it becomes 2x plus 4. I want to get rid of my plus 4, so I need to do the opposite. Minus 4 equals 20 minus 4. Okay? I know that 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. Okay? And I'm left with 4 minus 4 is 0, so I'm left with 2x. Again, I still have a number on this side. My variable isn't alone. I want to isolate my variable. Okay? That means I want to get rid of the 2 here. Now, what operation is that? If it says 2x. Multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. So, I write 2x divided by 2, okay, is equal to 16 divided by 2. Okay? Remember, when you use the opposite operation, it needs to be on both sides. Okay? So if I have used, I've added a divided by 2 here. On the left side, I have to do it on the right side too. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Okay? 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, and 1 times anything is itself, right? So really all I have left here is my x. Okay? So x equals 8. Let me check that. If x is equal to 8, that means 2 times 8 plus 4 equals 20. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 equals 20. I have both sides are the same. My solution is correct. Okay?
Did you find that?
Yeah.
Oh.
We're going to try one with division now. X divided by 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now remember, when it looks like a fraction, that actually means divided by. So it's x divided by 3 plus 2 equals 5. The first thing I want to do is look at what I'm isolating. I want to get this x alone. So I'm going to begin by removing plus 2. X over 3 plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 5 minus 2. I know that 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay. Plus 2 and minus 2 have canceled each other out here. So I am left with x over 3 equals 3. To get rid of divided by 3, I need to multiply by 3. So it becomes x over 3 times 3 equals 3 times 3. Remember, I use the opposite operation and I use it on both sides. So I've multiplied it by 3 on this side, and I've multiplied it by 3 on this side. This is going to isolate my x. Divided by 3 times 3 is actually 1. 1 times the number is itself, so you have isolated x. X is equal to 3 times 3 is 9. Okay? And I can check this. 9 divided by 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay? 9 divided by 3 is 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 equals 5.